and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. It's Narvekar versus new committee in GCA. Committee entered GCA Porvorim premises with police protection. Takes custody of documents, keys. Narvekar claims he is GCA president. Crucial meet on Monday. Information and Broadcasting Ministry to confer Indian Cinema Centenary Award to Outstanding Film at Goa FIMI 2012. Award to carry 10 lakh cash. Celebrations of Centenary Year of Indian Cinema. India's iron ore exports likely to drop biannually by 50%. Export falls following shortage from Karnataka, Odisha and Goa. FIMI says iron ore export no longer a viable proposition. And Football Players Association of India award ceremony held in a glitzy function on Saturday night. Chock of award winners, players and coaches absent on the big night. And now the news in detail. It's Narvekar versus newly appointed committee in GCA. Sunday witnessed tussle between Dayanand Narvekar and the managing committee. The 11-member committee had to enter the premises of the Porvorim office through the back door. Narvekar had not moved from the GCA office since Saturday. He says he is the president. The committee headed by Fadke entered the Porvorim premises in police protection and had documents and keys in their custody. A crucial meeting of committee is scheduled on Monday.
Executive member Goa Association.
आज बन ऑफिस आज ऑफिस बन कोणाक क्रिकेट प्लेयर आहा ते पळय भितर सगळे क्रिकेट प्लेयर यू कॅन गो एंड सी ऑफिस बन म्हाकाय कोणें सांगलें पुलीस येयल्या म्हणून आय वॉन्टेड नो वाय पुलीस हॅव कम लेट देम ब्रेक देर इज अ हाऊस ब्रेकिंग ऑफेन्स लेट देम ब्रेक समबडी वॉन्ट टू ब्रेक आय कॅन हेल्प इट की म्हाका सादारण 5 सुमार हांगा इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की थोडे लोक डीसी कडेन येयले हांवें म्हाज्या सेक्रेटरीक सांगलो श्री कृष्ण तारी की तू सेक्रेटरी आहा तेन्ना कितें जालां तें येवन पळय हाव फेअर इट इज ऑन संडे फॉर एनी मेंबर टू कम हियर एंड ट्राय टू टेक ओवर गोवा क्रिकेट मंडे दे कुड हॅव कम
थोड्यांचे पेरेंट्स आज भुरग्यांक घेवन आयिल्ले
तो प्रॉब्लेम जालो न्हू
एक वर भायर आसात अजून तांकां दार काडूना
म्हाका खबर ना की सगळ्यो चावी सेक्युरिटी कडेन आहा न्हू आय एम नॉट इन चार्ज ऑफ द की फर्स्ट थिंग दे डीड दे अटॅक द सेक्युरिटी दे सेड सेक्युरिटी भायर निकालो तेणे तांकां बावड्यांक काडले
स्टेटमेंट दिला तुम्ही चावी काढू नका म्हणून सांगला
कोण आहे
तुमचे नाव घेऊन सांगला सेक्युरिटी
आय एम नॉट रेडी टू बिलीव सेक्युरिटी
आता आम्ही मोस्टली कोण कोण असले न्हू म्हणजे अनवॉन्टेड एलिमेंट्स कोण कोण असले तांकां चडशा जाणांक काडल्या आणि फाल्यांच्यान आमचें ऑफिस वर्किंग जातलें स्टार्ट जातलें आणि ऑफिस वर्किंग जावन फाल्यांच्यान आमी आमची कमिटी हांगा बसतली आनी सगळी सद्या लॉग बी सगळी आमच्या कडेन आहात लॉकां आसात सगळीं आहात तेन्ना नो बडी वील बी एबल टू एंटर विदाउट परमिशन ऑफ आवर कमिटी.
The Information and Broadcasting Ministry has instituted a Centenary Award. The award will be given to a path-breaking film every year at the International Film Festival of India in Goa. This is to celebrate the 100th year of Indian cinema. The first Centenary Award will be given to an Indian or international film this year at FIMI 2012 in Goa in November this year.
वास्ते मुख तज दिया राज है देव पुरुष अवतारी.
The country's first full-length feature film, Raja Harishchandra, was released on May 3rd in 1913. Its 100th year of the Indian cinema. Directorate of Film Festivals is planning to celebrate a centenary year at IFI 2012 in Goa. Official from INB Ministry informed PTI that the first centenary award would be given to an Indian or international film for breaking new grounds, whether it is in technique, aesthetics or technology, at the IFI 2012, which will be held in Goa in November this year. The award will also carry a cash component of 10 lakh rupees. Films in all categories will participate at IFI would be eligible for the award. The Centenary Award is just one of the several initiatives that the INB Ministry is planning to celebrate 100 years of Indian cinema. There has been a demand from the religious groups in Goa and the state government to change the schedule of IFI concluding ceremony as it clashes with the St. Francis Xavier's feast at Old Goa. Considering the demand, Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting may likely change the IFI schedule from November 10th to 20th instead of November 23rd to December 3rd. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. India's iron ore exports may drop biannually to almost 50%. The ore export is set to fall to a new low this financial year due to shortages in Karnataka, Odisha and Goa, high export duty and differential railway freight. The annual drop in current year is expected to be 16 to 25%. Secretary General of FIMI says export of iron ore is no longer a viable proposition.
Federation of Indian Mineral Industries FIMI is concerned about the exports. Compared to 2011-12, which witnessed a year-on-year decline of 38.5% in the exports at about 60 million tons, the current year 2012-13 may see an all-time low of 45 to 50 million tons, a further drop of 16 to 25% over last year. Ore export scenario: iron ore exports declined to 60 million tons in financial year 12, down 38.5%. Export duty of 30%, higher railway freights affects volume. Price in global markets declined 22% to $138 a ton. Government of Goa restricts lifting of iron ore dumps. Ban on mining in Karnataka likely to continue for next 3 to 4 months. R.K. Sharma, Secretary General of Federation of Indian Mineral Industries, says, going by the prolonged ban on mining in Karnataka, restrictions on mining in Odisha and Goa, along with a high railway freight rate and 30% export duty, export of iron ore is no longer a viable proposition. Goa has restricted movement of iron ore. The government of Goa is not giving clearance to lift dumps containing 48 to 52% iron grade ore. Considering these factors, ore export is set to fall at a new low this financial year. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.